1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so hope you guys got that. I know this move a little bit challenging for beginners, but it is what it is, alright? So tongue thrust requires really good flexibility, especially legs and shoulders. Alright? After Tinh Chou, move back up. 1, 2, 3. Right, so descending into this, right? Take your time slowly. Right? 1, 2. Now our left leg is ready to kick. We're going to do what we call slap kick. Right? So from Tinh Chou, move back. 1, 2. Now this leg is ready to kick. Right? We're doing what we call slap kick, Tai Jiao. Right? So from this position, kick, and then the right leg is going to do the second slap kick. Alright? The second slap kick. After the second slap kick, we're going to do 二七脚 or 腾空飞脚. Something like this. We're going to lift our legs. Like this first, right? And now we're going to combine this jump with the front. Okay? So you're going to slap like this. Right? So this is what it looks like. Right? Hang, hang. Alright? And then we're going to grab. Alright? Doing 斜步冲旋. Right? So let's go for the move. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, good, fun. And then from here we're going to grab and punch. Alright, now we're down to the last section. Alright, last section. We're going to do something like this. From up, we're going to look up. 1, 2, doing Pi Chuan, move backward. Alright, there, look up, forward, 1, move backward, 2, doing Pi Chuan, alright, something like this. Alright, so we're doing Pi Chuan, and then doing drop stance, alright, so from this position, alright, look down, look up, then move back, Pi Chuan, drop stance, alright. Right? Now from here we're going to go up. Alright? Then do a little bit Lun Pi. And then we're going to come. Alright? So from here, drop stand, Pi Chuan. We're going to move up. And then we're going to move like this. Alright, so you guys can practice this slowly. Alright? Okay, so from here, move up, go up. Right? So when you go up, you hand like this, and then do kan. Right? From here, kan. After you kan, you're going to tung chuan. So the right stand, right bow stand. Right? From here, kan. Right? Kan. So you're going to grab and then punch. Grab and then punch. From here, from both stands, we're going to move back. Okay? Doing a little circle. Right? So you guys can practice like this. Alright? So do something like this. From here. Alright? So move your right, so I'm doing something like this, alright? One, and then move your right leg backward, like this. And then two, move it back. Three, doing the same position, like the first one. Four, alright? So you guys probably recognize it now, right? So that's the first move, okay? From the first move. So from here, right, do a little spin. One, do the same movement like the first section, and then go up. But the difference, we're going to move 3 steps backward from here. One, do the same thing. Two, and then from up. Three. Alright. So from here, do a little spin, and then shifu, up, 3 steps backward. 1, 2, up, 3.